PTE aspirants wish to improve your reading score, especially in the reading blank section, then you must master this one thing, that is the collocation. Now, if you're wondering what exactly is collocation, then I must tell you, these are the pair of words that exactly go together in English, and many native speakers speak them without even thinking about them. And yes, PTE loves to test them on their test trackers. For example, you might have heard make a decision, not do a decision, or heavy rain, not strong rain. So these are some of the examples, and there are many examples that include job satisfaction, climate change, raise awareness. I hope you're getting it. Let's do a quick exercise. I'll ask you a question and you have to answer. The government aims to dash awareness about climate change. Now your options to fill this blank are grow awareness, raise awareness, lift awareness, push awareness. If you select raise awareness, then you're correct, because raise is the exactly word that altogether goes with awareness. Raise awareness is the correct word. In the reading and writing and fill in the blanks, these collocations are always tested. Even if you feel that the mentioned options are all grammatically correct, but collocations sound naturally correct. Hope you understand. Now, how understanding collocation can help you in your exam? Number 1. They can help you eliminate the wrong option. Number 2, they can help you read fast because your brain always recognizes the familiar word. Number 3, they improve accuracy and comprehension. Number 4, they are useful across all modules and not just the reading. Now, here are some PTE collocations to learn. First, we will begin with verb plus noun. Here are some examples. Make a decision, take a risk, raise an issue, provide information, reach an argument, draw a conclusion. Now begin with adjective plus noun collocation. Strong evidence, major concern, significant difference, heavy rainfall, key factor, global issues. These are some collocations that are used as adjective plus noun collocations. Now let's learn some noun plus noun collocations. Energy consumption, population growth, climate change, job satisfaction, language skills. And now preposition plus noun collocations. Under control, in danger, at risk, for example, by chance. So if you're preparing for PTE, then you must learn these hidden secrets about collocations because they can definitely improve your score. And if you're still confused, don't worry. We are also conducting a free PTE workshop on 20 July 2025, where you can be a part of it and learn a lot more things about PTE preparation. Found this video helpful? Like this video, share this video, subscribe to Elite Expertise without forgetting to hit that bell icon.